drumbeat symbolizes a change. A change that indicates growth and development, not only fueling a nation's economy, but also fulfilling the need for a growing demand for infrastructure. Development and growth go hand in hand in building a strong economy. Creating a conducive urban infrastructure is a challenge to many governments across the globe. The hub of information technology, Bangalore, is also undergoing this change to meet the growing needs of a cosmopolitan population. Many government agencies, along with private partnerships, are working hard to weave an infrastructure in bringing about this change. Bangalore Metro, an integrated public transport system, is one such major change to augment the city's transportation woes. But building a metro in a city like Bangalore has many daunting challenges. This Herculean task needs an integrated effort and involvement of many agencies to develop and implement technologies to weave a rail network. The National Institute of Rock Mechanics, NIRM, is one such institution involved in many developmental projects across the country, providing key technologies in rock engineering. NIRM, headquartered in Kolar Goldfields in Karnataka, has spread its wings across the continent to bridge technology gaps. NIRM, a premier research institute under the Union Ministry of Mines, provides the know-how of rock mechanics to many big civil engineering projects such as hydroelectric projects, mining and civil construction sectors, roads, railroads, and underground caverns. The role of NIRM in providing critical technologies in urban infrastructure projects for Bangalore Metro is crucial. A team of scientists of the Rock Blasting and Excavation Engineering Department of NIRM are involved in the Bangalore Metro project, which is expected to change the urban face of Bangalore. The team is providing crucial technology based on their research and experience to build underground metro stations at 3 key points in front of Vidhan Sauda, Central College, and City Railway Station. The team has provided technology involved in hard rock blasting with ground vibration control, monitoring of air overpressure, and fly rock without creating any disturbance whatsoever to the surroundings.
Bangalore Metro people thought of starting an underground station for their metro project. The concept of controlled blasting within a city was conceived at NIRM. Conventionally, whenever we do blasting in any area, the area is quite safe because the flying fragments can reach as far as 500 to 800 meters and there is no habitation. Once we talk about blasting in urban environment, the habitation is very close in proximity to the area where we require blasting operations. Under these situations, it's very easy to think of alternative means to blasting because controlled blasting is a challenging task when it comes to in an urban environment. Ground vibrations are controlled by controlling the maximum charge per delay, whereas the noise is controlled by using the correct initiation systems. With regard to control of fly rock, to curtail this, what we do is that we bring down the stiffness of the bench. That means we reduce the ratio of burden to bench height. In this way, we have ensured safety of the structures, and all the blasts have been safe with respect to vibration, air pressure and fly rock. This unique methodology developed by NIRM has been successfully utilized at Bangalore Metro. The same can be used at other project sites within the country. Not only for the metro, any infrastructure project, this method can be successfully utilized, safely utilized within close proximity to any urban habitation.
NIRM is responsible for a metamorphosis in providing crucial technologies in building the underground metro.
The undesirable effect of this blast is ground vibration, air pressure, fly rock and noise. Particularly when you are blasting in this kind of urban blast, it needs lot of control. To arrive these control measures, we have carried out some vibration studies at an alternative site. We have arrived some parameters. Based on these parameters, these safe permissible levels were arrived.
One aspect of control blasting is controlling the fly rock, and the other aspect is to control the ground vibration. So, the blast vibration produced from this blasting should be well within the limits at these structures to keep the vibration at all the structures within the safe limits. So, in this way we are trying to keep the vibration level well below the permissible levels.
This whatever the rubber mat we are using to restrict the fly rock, it is for existing practice, globally existing practice, but as per the NIRM we are designed to ensure the 100% of the fly rock. We are integrating the mesh as well as the rubber mat, so that the whatever the fly rocks are they flying from the blast, it will be 100% restrictions within a specified distance.
Rock blasting without disturbing heritage buildings and surrounding population is a sensitive task being handled by NIRM. Site-specific technologies help blast the hard rock without disturbing anything on the surface, thus promising to retain the beauty of the city once the stations are ready underground. Daily blasts in the morning carried out to build the underground stations reverberate safe technology provided by Team NIRM. The rock blasting technology and monitoring by NIRM has given an impetus to faster and precision building of underground railway stations in these sensitive areas. A specific technology model developed by scientists of NIRM has made a complicated task easy.
We are involved in more than 100 projects in the underground space technology. The future lies with the underground space, and we understand that overground whatever is done is completed. Now the cities will be coming underground. We have to have the ports underground, air bases underground, storage underground, oil storage underground is already started, and we are involved in that. So there is a big role to play by NIRM in future, and this particular branch, which is the underground excavation engineering using the rock blast, that is actually going to be a very, very important. So future is quite bright, and this technology is definitely going to be very helpful in completion of the projects. The critical areas we had identified in the Bangalore Metro alignment, that is Vidhan Sauda, then Central College, because they were very close to the, these buildings are very important and they were very close to the site. What we are doing here, based on our experiences in the past and the advancement in the technology, the designs are given such that the minimum damage is done and maximum excavation results are getting. And we started, and now we find that the areas where we had gone for the excavation for the station, that is the now cut is there, open cuts are there. So there the wherever the rocks are there exposed, the blasting is required. And a wonderful piece of work has been done by the experts from the NIRM and the team led by Dr. Venkatesh, who is the head of the department of the rock blasting. And the net result is that you see no damage effect have been seen in the surrounding buildings or overground.
To build city-specific infrastructure, a public-private partnership is crucial. One of the joint venture partners of Bangalore Metro, Soma, a company which has made a mark in the infrastructure sector, has sought NIRM's expertise to build crucial underground stations.
NIRM is an institute which has a core strength and resource in planning and designing the safe blasting and blasting procedures in mega projects like hydro, and you take any sector, they have a footing and they have shown their experience in this Bangalore Metro by doing the safe, by adopting the safe blasting procedures here. We have associated with NIRM and done the successfully till date.
The CICI Soma joint venture won on this job to build about 4-kilometer tunnel, including 4 underground stations. And for the excavation of the 4 underground station, we require a really skillful people that to guide us to do the rock blasting. I'm in charge of this project as a project leader, and I'm really glad to have NRM on board from the beginning, because NRM did a lot of contribution to guide us regarding the blasting design, and also take us through the process of getting the blasting permit. As you know, that is a very lengthy and really complicated process. But with their guidance, and we sailed through it quite easily.
NIRM, with its vast experience, helps make civil engineering easy, safe and fast. Bangalore Metro is one more credit to its long list of clientele involved in development projects. NIRM today, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, is part of a developing infrastructure base in the country and is set to fly high and reach great heights.